In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Bookings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, customize your availability and services, connect your calendars, and share your booking page so clients can schedule time with you smoothly. Start by logging into Zoho Bookings. You'll be prompted to enter your business name, your time zone, and your currency. Take a second to double-check the time zone so your appointments land in the right slots for you and your clients. Choosing the right currency ensures the prices you set later display correctly. Next, set your availability. This is where you define your working days and hours. So Zoho only offers times you are actually open. If your schedule varies, customize special hours for certain days or mark time off for holidays, appointments, or team events. Keeping this section accurate is key to preventing surprise bookings when you are not available. Now, create your services. For each service, add the name, the duration, and the price whether it's paid or free and assign the staff member who handles it. The duration determines your booking slots, so match it to the real time you need. Setting a clear price helps clients come prepared, and assigning staff ensures the right person is booked for the right service. To prevent double bookings, connect your calendars. Integrate with Google, Microsoft Outlook, or Zoho Calendar so existing events block off your time automatically. Authorize the connection. Choose the calendar you actively use, and you'll keep your schedule in one place without conflicts. With the essentials in place, create your booking page. Add your logo, adjust the colors to match your brand, and choose between the default or sleek versions. The goal is a page that's easy to read, mobile-friendly, and clearly reflects your business. Preview the page to make sure everything looks the way you expect before sharing it. When you are ready, share your booking link. Copy the unique URL and add it to your website, email signature, and social media profiles. Making it easy to find your link is one of the simplest ways to increase bookings and reduce back-and-forth messages. Finally, manage your appointments from the dashboard. You can view everything in a clean list or switch to a calendar view if you prefer a visual layout. This central hub gives you a quick snapshot of your day and helps you stay on top of your schedule. That's it. Thanks for watching.